Yeah, hello guys. Today it is important topic is climate. Okay. Yeah, as you know, this is the rainy season, and after that winter, after that summer. Okay, this is the climate is different zones like seasons. Okay, in India, like any other countries or other like Europe or other continent, as same such as seasonal like rainfall or winter or summer. It is only located in India itself or okay, these are the questions raised in our mind, right guys. Today we are going to destruct all the doubts. Okay, yep. So today we are going to discuss the most important topic is climate. Okay, yeah, just look into here. This is the country. India is monsoon based climate conditions. Okay, monsoon is what? Okay, either two monsoons are there, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. Okay, one monsoon, southwest monsoon started June, it is ended September, and northeast monsoon is started October. Okay, in October, November during, and it is ended December. Okay, this is about the India where two monsoons that is take place, one southwest monsoon and northeast is the retreat monsoon. Okay, yeah, why it is the climatic conditions are different unlike other countries is India, there is a geographical structure and location, and around there is a oceans. Okay, so how rainfall going to take place, what is the current mean counter current like air Coriolis air effect, either hot wind or cold winds. Okay, why desert form west side of India? These are the questions we have to crack it. Okay, yeah, just look into here. The India is there is different zones, guys. Okay, yeah, it is actually where June 1st the air which is enter here this direction, the air winds, okay, air winds they can enter, air winds where 1st June which is started at Kerala, air winds, and 5th June which is Karnataka, which is air wind from the Telangana, they enter into the this way. Okay, so what is the direction? Southwest direction to northeast direction, southwest to northeast direction. And they did ask previous year question like UPSC, in the UPSC they did ask the 10th June which is enter Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and they can reach about West Bengal, Odisha, okay, Jharkhand, okay, finally Bihar they can reach, finally Bihar they reach. This direction they did ask, this direction they did ask in the previous year UPSC question, guys. 10th June, okay, 10th June, northwest direction into the southwest direction to the northeast. How many states they can cross? From Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal. Okay, so these states they can cross, guys, previous year question. And 5th like June, 15th June, that can be started at Gujarat, July 1st Gujarat to Gujarat, Punjab, Delhi, Haryana, okay, that is area. And 15th July only Gujarat they can. Is there in a touch this Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, okay, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh they did not touch, right? So northeast, southwest monsoon, this is southwest monsoon direction, northeast direction where it is started in Bay of Bengal, that can be reached into the coast of Coromandel coast, and from this direction to this direction, October 1st, where Uttar Pradesh started and ended Karnataka, and here September, this is from north to south. This is the two types of monsoon directions, guys. So we did see the wind blow, we did see the air winds, they can pass, air winds they can pass, these are the air winds, guys. How, what is the reason air winds they can pass, what is the reason? So we are going to discuss, okay. First of all, where India is located, okay, yeah, this is the globe, this is equator, okay, equator where 0 degree, this is India, location where 23 and half north, India is located above the equator, So guys, just look into here, equator characters is, there is a sun directly fall into the equator, listen carefully, this is important, okay, there is a sun, the sun rays directly fall into the equator region, sun rays, okay, yeah. In this way, here the characters of the equator, just look into here, high temperature characters, or equator is high temperature, high temperature created, there is a low molecular weight of the air, that's mean low pressure created, low pressure high temperature, low pressure, okay, created. Just look into here, this is the characters of the equator, there is a high temperature and a low pressure, okay. So in this way the equatorial region, what happened, just a minute, yeah, high temperature, low pressure created where in the equatorial region. So this is the air passes, the mechanism, air passes high pressure to low pressure, the air passes high to low, the air passes, high pressure to low pressure, air passes, okay. If the temperature is high, pressure is low, temperature is high, pressure is low, so air passes from high pressure to low pressure, equatorial region as low pressure, okay. According to this northern place where the tropical region, from the tropical region the air passes towards equator, the air passes towards equatorial, the air passes, okay, yeah. So as compared with equator, the northern latitude or southern latitude of the tropical area, okay, the air passes towards equatorial, okay. Yeah, and if come to this Arctic region, okay, this is high pressure, okay, high pressure. The air passes towards this, tropical area, tropical area. If come to the India located where? India located here, guys. This is the location of India. This is the place location of India. So, India about 23.5 northern latitude, okay. Same scenario, is it applicable to India? Just look into here. This is the Coriolis effect. We have to discuss later in the physical geography. We have to discuss about physical geography. Everything I am going to explain about high pressure belts, low pressure belts, okay, what they can interconvertal zones, okay. Yeah, we are going to discuss later. So, we are going to discuss now India climate, okay. Yes. India climate, how monsoon created? How monsoon type of climate? How monsoon type of climate in India take place, okay. Yeah, this is question. So, we have to handle it, okay. Yeah. Guys, just look into here. This is Arabian Sea. This is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, okay. This is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, okay. This is Indian Ocean, okay. Yeah, northern latitude where it is started 8 degree north latitude and ended with, which is 37 degree latitude, ended 8 to 37. The India followed between 8 to 37 degree latitude, okay. Yeah, this is if it is divided equal parts, if it is divided 8 to 8, I am going to write here, guys, 8.4, okay, 8 degree 4 and 37, okay, 37.6, it is north latitude, okay, and east west longitude is 68.7 and this is east and 97.25 east, okay. If we take center point, between them, that is 82.5, okay, 82 and 30 degree east, How many states fall under this standard meridian, okay, standard meridian? How many states fall under standard meridian? Just look into here. Gujarat, they did ask previous year exam, guys. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, okay, Odisha, okay, West Bengal, Tripura, and this is Mizoram. Tripura, Mizoram, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and this is Gujarat, and this is Rajasthan. How many? 8 states 8 states, the standard meridian crossed 8 states. This is previous year question. What are the states also they can ask you. What are the states also they can ask you guys. 8 states, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 northeastern states, one is Mizoram and one is Tripura. And if come to the Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and the West Bengal. Okay, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura and Mizoram. These 8 states standard meridian that can be crossed. This is the location of the India. Location of the India is the one of the reason for monsoon type of climate. They can ask you what are the reasons, how many factors they can affect the monsoon type of climate. One of the factor is location of India. India located between the oceans like Indian Ocean, Arabian and Bay of Bengal. So why the location can impact, going to discuss. Okay, yeah, the air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. So guys, just look into here. If the sun rises, okay, there is heat waves which is enter first ocean, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian. Okay, where in the summer, if come to the summer, okay, during summer, I am going to write here, during summer, what happened? During summer, what happened? If the Indian mainland which is high temperature created, Indian mainland. The here, if the high temperature created during the summer, what happened? If the high temperature created during the summer, there is a hot like winds, okay, created high temperature. If the high temperature leads to the air molecules move away each other. This is the air molecules, they can move away each other. In that way, low pressure created. High temperature that leads to the low pressure. Indian mainland during the summer, high temperature takes place Indian mainland, that leads to the air, Indian mainland air created low pressure. In that way, after summer, after 2 months created very low pressure. In that way, as compared with, this is the Arabian Ocean, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. This is the water body. As compared with water body, Indian mainland created low pressure. In that way, air passes from this west side to east side. They want enter into the Indian mainland. Air passes to the Indian mainland. Because of this is high pressure, the water created high pressure, Indian mainland is low pressure. The air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, yeah, in that way air carry the water. That is called monsoon. Northwest, southwest to northeast. So location is the one of the reason, one of the factor for the monsoon type of climate. They did ask previous year question, which one of the following factor reason for the monsoon type of climate. One of the region, location, India location. That's it. Okay. Second factor. Okay. We are looking into the second factor. First factor is the India location between the water. Okay. Water body created high pressure and this is the mainland created low pressure. This is the southwest monsoon created during summer. Southwest monsoon created during summer. If come to the winter, what happened winter? Okay. Winter is created northwest monsoon, that is we can call retreat monsoon, retreat monsoon. Just look into here, this is summer. If come to the winter, if come to the winter, if come to the winter, this is the water body total, this is water body. Okay. Winter, during the winter there is no sunlight that much of, they don't much effect on Indian mainland because of the temperature is very low, the temperature is very low Indian mainland. So, if the low temperature create high pressure, temperature create the high pressure in this air, high pressure create in this air. Because of the India mainland, as there are much diversified, there is a forest is there is a like different type of relief features are there, hilly areas. Okay. Main example hilly areas, Himalayas. Okay. There is a snow, Himalayas, they created high pressure air, guys, high pressure air. So, high pressure created in the Indian mainland because of relief features like hilly areas, forest and Himalayas. Okay. And some Himalayas areas, the winds are blowing from west side. Okay. West side. This is also location factor. Guys, high pressure created the air winds from high pressure to they can move away into the ocean. As compared with mainland, okay, it is high pressure. The oceans, this is Bay of Bengal or Indian Ocean, Arabian Ocean, low pressure created, low pressure. As compared with Indian mainland, this is low pressure. So, air moves from high pressure to low pressure, air moves from high pressure to low pressure. This is northeast monsoon, we can call it as retreat monsoon, that is mainly takes place in during the November, December, October, after October that start November, December. And we come across southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon based on India location. India location is the one of the part, okay, one of the factor to make this monsoon type of climate. I hope you guys understand. There are two types of monsoon, northwest and southwest, northeast. Southwest, it is started June to September, and northwest it is October, northeast October to December. Guys, you guys understand, this is mainly depend on pressure belts, mean there is a low pressure belt created Indian mainland during southwest monsoon, and if come to the northwest monsoon, high pressure winds created during Indian mainland, that is created to air moves from mainland to ocean side. This is northeast monsoon. I hope you guys understand this. Okay. Yep. And if come to this, India location is the one of the factor. Just look into here, I am going to read such things. Okay. First, India climate, weather and climate, the differentiate between weather and climate. As we come across, weather is the temporary part, which is time duration is very shorter, mean what is the weather conditions today? We can ask today what is weather conditions, but today we don't ask what is the climate conditions today. Climate condition is the seasonal, okay, weather condition is the day wise, okay, very short term. Okay, just look into here, the short term states atmosphere daily changes, temperature, rainfall, humidity, winds. This is short term with weather. And if come to the climate, it is average weather condition over a long period, that is minimum 30 years. Okay, yeah guys, India climate is classified as monsoon type of climate, that is the tropical monsoon guys, tropical country. India is the tropical country, in that way we can call it as tropical monsoon. Okay, yep. And there are factors that can be affect the monsoon type of climate. What are the factors? Okay, what are the factors? This is important, they did ask many time in the previous year exam guys. First, as I told you, latitude. Latitude India, which is about 23.5 latitude guys, 22.5 latitude east, 22.5 degree east latitudes. Okay, the geographical area where India located, the latitude is most impact, which is tropical latitude, the part of 23.5. India mainly fall between the 4 degree to 37 degree latitude and 68 to 95 east longitudes. Okay, this is the latitude and longitude is the reason for the monsoon type of climate. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer we can call it as northern latitude. It is divided India into the tropical south and subtropical north zones. India mostly is tropical guys, okay, just Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim, these states comes under subtropical area. Okay, yep. And tropical region uniform high temperature, northeastern region greater seasonal variation is took place. Altitude, altitude also one of the reason, latitude and altitude. India where the pressure belts is how much high they can created. Okay, there is atmospheric zones are there. Atmospheric zones, as you know guys, thermosphere, troposphere, ionosphere. Like troposphere area is the reason for the monsoon type of conditions. The temperature decreases with altitude guys. Temperature decreases with altitude. If you move away from above or like earth surface, that is temperature will decrease. Okay, temperature will decrease, does it mean there is a Delhi is low altitude, high summer, hot summer. Okay, Shimla is very cooler, same latitude, because of altitude guys, because of altitude. Latitude is same, latitude is same. Delhi and Shimla almost the same latitude area, but altitude is different. Altitude is different. Shimla is located hilly areas. Okay, so in that way that is cooler than Delhi. In that way that is cooler than Delhi. So this is altitude also reason for any temperature variations. If the temperature variations, pressure also going to be differentiate. That is that pressure and temperature are mainly depend on altitude or latitude gradients. Okay, yeah, I hope you understand this. Okay, Himalayas are black cold winds, they are from Central Asia that keep winters less severe in North India. Yeah, we will going to discuss later it. Okay, yep. And third, distance from sea, fourth relief physiography, and fifth distance pressure winds, and sixth is ocean currents. Okay, distance from sea, continentality. Okay, our India located how much distance from the sea? This is also one of the factor for the monsoon based climate conditions in India. Okay, yeah. The coastal areas like Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi is moderate climate. Interior areas like Delhi, Nagpur, extreme climate conditions where hot summer and cold winters. Okay, yeah, this is the distance from sea is the one of the reason for the monsoon type of conditions. If the temperature and pressure of air, if it is changes, monsoon can affect. Okay, yeah. And relief or physiography. Himalayas, relief mean India as it is. Actually, I did explain the physiography of India in first chapter, guys. If you don't listen my classes, you can go through that videos playlist and you can listen. I did explain that physiography of India, that is relief features, where the hilly areas, where is the desert, what is the islands, what are the coastal areas. India is very diversified in relief features, guys. That is the diversified of different structure of Indian mainland, created different weather conditions. In that way, that is monsoon type. This is the reason for the monsoon type of climate conditions. Himalayas, black cold winds. Cold winds, actually there is a Siberian area after Himalayas, it is a northern area, right? After Himalayas, that is a northern area. Russia, from the Russia, there is a snow areas, the polar region. There is a winds coming from northern zone entering into the India. Himalayas, or they can actually block the cold winds. They can block the cold winds. It can be forces monsoon winds, force monsoon wind to shed rains. Okay, if it is cold winds coming to the Indian mainland, what happened? There is a monsoon pattern change. So Himalayas, they can reason for the monsoon type of condition, that is relief features. India physiography is different. Okay, yeah. Western Ghats, you know, Western Ghats are heavily rainfall and windward side. It is Mangalore, Goa, rain shadow leeward, it is side Bangalore, Pune. Guys, Western Ghats is the high hilly areas. Okay, they can also reason for the high rainfall or low rainfall. Okay, yes. And a distribution of pressure and winds. Yeah, seasonal shift. ITCZ, intertropical convergent zone. What is ICTZ? Intertropical convergent zone. It is actually low pressure belt, guys. Low pressure belt. Okay, it is affects monsoon. High pressure over Central Asia in winter. Low pressure over North India in summer. Okay, yeah, guys, just look into here, 2 points. And ITCZ, intertropical convergent zone, intertropical convergent zone. Okay, I am going to explain it, don't worry. What happened? What is the convergent? What is the convergent? Okay, yes, I am going to explain it. Okay, ITCZ, okay, intertropical convergent zone. Intertropical convergent zone. Just look into, guys, what is tropical? Tropical mean it is the tropical country. India is the tropical country. India is the tropical country. And what is convergent? What is intertropical zone? Convergent mean there is a changes. Okay, if in the summer, this is the tropical country, where this is the area 20° latitude, 20° east latitude, created very low pressure belt, created low pressure belt. Low pressure belt, intertropical convergent zone. In the summer, in the summer, Indian mainland going to become more heat, as I told you. That is the heat. There is a pressure belt created in the 20° latitude. There is a high tropical pressure created, okay, high tropical belt pressure created, high temperature belt create a low pressure belt, low pressure belt created. In this low pressure belt is the reason for to attract the water, into this zone, okay. During summer they attract the water from that intertropical convergent zone, okay, at 20° east latitude, 20° latitude. Guys, just look into here. During the summer low pressure belt created, during the winter high pressure belt created, during the winter high pressure belt created, mean that is convergent, where water attracted in the low pressure belt. If the high pressure belt, water is, they move away from this belt, that is convergent, mean water can attract, water can release. This is the convergent zone where tropical area fall under 20° east latitude. They can ask you what are the countries, or they can cross, this is intertropical convergent zone, ITCZ. How many countries that can be crossed? This is the previous year UPSC question, guys. This is previous year UPSC question. There is a place Brazil, as it is same Indian place ITCZ, okay, yes. So this is ITCZ, intertropical convergent zone, affect monsoon, where high pressure over Central Asia winter, cold dry winds, and low pressure North India summer, that is attract monsoon, okay. Yeah, as I told you, they can attract water, that is monsoon, okay. They can release water from the Central Asia wind, okay. Yeah, and sixth factor for the monsoon type of climate is ocean current. Ocean current is what, guys? Ocean current is what? Okay. Yeah, just look into here. This is actually, okay. Yeah, ocean current. This is ITCZ belt. In the summer ITCZ belt created where 20° east latitude. Mumbai is there, okay. First, if the low pressure is created here, the water is went here from the ocean to mainland in the summer, that is low pressure, If come to the winter, what is this? Is winter ITCZ, okay. High pressure created due to cold winds, that is from north to, there is a water enter into the ocean, okay. This is ITCZ, guys. What is that is winds, hot winds and cold winds. These are the hot winds and cold winds, guys. This is the tropical country. Tropical country created during the summer low pressure, during the winter high pressure. Coriolis effect. Coriolis effect. We are going to discuss. There is that like physical geography is there. Each topic we are going to discuss. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Ocean current, warm current, Arabian Sea, it is increased moisture and rainfall. Indian Ocean is dipole influence rainfall. Indian Ocean is dipole influence rainfall, guys. This is important. They can ask you any form. They can ask you the question any form. So again we have to see the factors affecting Indian climate, Indian monsoon type of climate. How many factors? First one is latitude, second one is altitude, okay? Third one is distance from sea, fourth one is relief or physiography, and fifth one is different distribution of pressure and winds like ITCZ, and sixth one is ocean current, okay? Yeah. And there is seventh one, yeah, oh no, sixth enough. Sixth factors enough. These are the main factors. Actually, these are the like main factors, the principal factors. Okay, they don't want to ask you other factors. Actually, they given in the NCERT this much only. If they want other connected factors also, you can easily eliminate. You can easily answer it. Okay. Yeah. Other climatic factors. These are the general factors. Scientifically not proven, general factors also. Latitude, altitude, pressure, wind system, distance from sea, ocean currents and relief. No, this is the main factors. Okay, 6 factors are the main factors. They can ask you in the exam, guys. They can ask you in the exam. Okay, why? What is monsoon? The meaning of monsoon. What is monsoon type of climate? It is seasonal and reversible. Okay. It is seasonal and reversible winds due to the difference of heating land and sea, as we discussed. During summer ITCZ, intertropical convergent zone, what happened? The low pressure belt created in the northwestern India, that created, there is a water which is went into the Indian Ocean to mainland. Okay, during it is 2 branches, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Of course, Arabian Sea, there is a Kerala, northwest monsoon. Bay of Bengal is southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. Okay, they created with the 2 oceans. Okay, during winter, northeast monsoon, that is October to December, high pressure overall, there is a land, high pressure created over a land. Okay, water, the air moves from high pressure to low pressure. During winter from mainland to ocean, land to ocean. During winter, the air moves to the mainland to ocean. During summer, the air moves from the ocean to mainland. This is the different, okay, because of pressure gradient, okay. Yes, yeah. Seasons in India according to the Indian IMD, okay, IMD. Guys, there is a question from the disaster management. You must visit this IMD website, guys. IMD website, any recent news, current relevant Indian Meteorological Department. Okay, that is, they can ask you any news, you can come across that. Okay, who can handle it? Okay, yeah. The cold weather season and hot weather season India took place. Of course, winter and summer. Okay, cold weather. Cold weather especially from north, the cold and dry winds, south mild, it is distinct winter. Western disturbances also there, brings it is winter rain. Okay. Western disturbances most important guys, there is a names of the western disturbances. Okay, I am going to discuss about it. There is west part of the north side. Okay, there are some winds blowing from the north. Okay, that is brings winter rains. Okay, that is northwest India, Punjab, Haryana especially. And hot weather season, March, high temperature in North India above 45 degrees, North India, that is Rajasthan. Okay, what is Lu? What is Lu? This is previous year question guys, previous year question. Okay, Lu is what? Hot dry winds blow in northern plains. Hot dry winds blow in northern plains is Lu guys. This is important. This is important. Okay. What is mango showers? What is mango showers? Kerala, Karnataka, there is a mango ripening time where is the rainfall started. Rainfall first started is mango showers in Kerala, Karnataka. Okay. Kal Baisakhi, West Bengal, Assam, there is a thunderstorms called Kal Baisakhi. They can ask you guys these names. What is Lu? What is Kal Baisakhi? What is mango showers? They did ask previous year many questions these words guys. Okay. So, most important, you have to be minded what is Lu. Hot dry winds blow in North plain, North India, especially northern plain, Indo-Gangetic plain. Mango showers is the first starting rains where it is started Kerala and Karnataka. Kal Baisakhi, it is the festival relevant to the West Bengal, Assam. Their first rainfall, first thunderstorm started in West Bengal, Assam. They can call it as Kal Baisakhi. There is a festival also. Okay, guys, they can ask you such questions. Okay, yes, yeah. Advancing monsoon, rainy season. Okay, rainy season, advancing monsoon, especially June to September. 80% annual rainfall took place this advancing monsoon. Okay, yeah. Heavy rain is west coast, northeast India. Okay, heavy rain west coast where western Ghats of India and northeastern India, that is about Masindram, there where Meghalaya state. Okay, which is about 1180 centimeters rainfall is took place there. Okay, every year. Rain decreases in westwards. This is important. Rain decreases westwards. Okay, east side rain will be increased. West northwest is the rain is decrease. This is statement wise question they can ask you. Okay, or assumption and reason also they can ask you. Retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon is where October started, which is October to December guys, which is winter time there is a rain is retreating, summer time rain is monsoon. Okay, this is retreating monsoon winter time. Winter time what happened in the northeast India, the northwest India, there are huge temperature fall down. Okay, that is like very cold winds are coming from north side. Okay, the Himalayan region, that is created, they can actually like protect us from the north like winds. There is a very cold winds. Okay, we have to experience northwest India, that is clear skies, high temperature during the day and cool nights. That is created a northeast monsoon, especially the water, northeast monsoon created in the north place, but water is came in the Tamil Nadu area, Tamil Nadu coastal area, some Andhra Pradesh area also, northeast monsoon. Okay, in the Tamil Nadu there are floods in the during the winter, during the December time, right? I will come across this news. Okay, because of northeast monsoon, retreating monsoon. Okay, yes. Regional variations. Jaisalmer, of course, India is the climatic conditions are different because of the different regions and different areas, which is relief features like, okay, latitude is also where India started 4 degree latitude to 37 degree. So there is obviously there is a changes of temperature and all. Jaisalmer, where Rajasthan is very hot, more than 50 degree centigrade. This is dry. Okay, Dras mean Ladakh is the coldest region, minus 45 degrees centigrade. Masindra Meghalaya is the world highest rainfall, that is 1180 centimeter. Thar desert, very low rainfall, which is less than 10 centimeter. Coastal area Chennai, Kochi, Mumbai is equal climatic conditions, no extreme temperature. Himalayas is alpine and temperate climate. Alpine temperate climate, not temperature, temperate climate. Temperate mean it is the India tropical country. Himalayas are the temperate country, temperate part in the tropical country. Okay, this is the unique features of India. You might not experience these different conditions in any country. The country which is almost same climatic condition in everywhere in the world, but unlike India, experiences all extreme conditions itself. Like Himalayas are extreme weather conditions low. Rajasthan is extreme weather condition high temperature. Just see, India is located high rainfall area in the world, that is Masindra. High rainfall area, high temperature area, high cold area, everything is there available in India, guys. This is main features of Indian monsoon system. Okay, just look into here, this is important for coming exam. They might ask you these places. Okay, they might ask you, previously they did ask. Okay, in that way you have to be quick look into this. Okay, yep. Yeah, like climate types of India: tropical wet dry, tropical semi-arid, tropical desert, humid subtropical, mountain climate. This is also the climatic condition of India. Okay, tropical wet, western coast Assam area is tropical wet, tropical country India. Tropical dry, central India, peninsular plains also tropical dry. Telangana is the tropical dry, peninsular plateau. Okay, tropical semi-arid, Rajasthan, Gujarat is the very dry area, semi-arid. There is no deserts that much. Tropical desert, that is Thar desert. Humid subtropical, North India is the subtropical. Himalayan, Sikkim places are the subtropical. Mountain climate is Himalayas. This is also India's speciality. Okay, guys, look into this. Okay, yes, guys, I hope you guys understand. Where you lack, just let me know where you lack. If any concept, you can mention it in the comment section. Any concept like what is Coriolis, what is the low pressure high pressure belts created rainfall. Okay, where the tropical country is located, and I am going to explain in the physical geography, of course, but if you lack of this any concept, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, yep. Yeah, monsoon variability, there is a break in monsoon. Rainfall stops 1 or 2 weeks during the southwest monsoon. El Nino effect, La Nina effect, this is important, guys. El Nino effect and La Nina effect. Okay, this is important. Mostly we come across the MCQs from the El Nino, La Nina. I am going to create a video tomorrow about El Nino and La Nina, particular about El Nino, La Nina. This is huge concept, guys. There may be a question. This is not about Indian climatic system. It is about the world climatic system. Okay, world climate, it is El Nino, La Nina is the Spanish words. Okay, El Nino is the Spanish word. They can ask you such a question also. Spanish words, that is a baby boy. Baby boy is El Nino. Okay, La Nina is The baby girl is La Nino. Okay, El Nino, La Nina, okay, Nina. This is Spanish word, guys. El and La. La is comes under feminine, El is comes under masculine. Okay, yeah. The Hyderabad, El Hyderabad, La Hyderabad. La Hyderabad, Hyderabad is the beautiful. If the mention Hyderabad is the beautiful, La Hyderabad. If mention Hyderabad is the like very strong city, like a great city. Hyderabad is the great city. El Hyderabad. Okay, that is the condition La Nina, El Nino. Okay, El and La, masculine and feminine. Guys, they can ask you the meaning also. I am going to explain tomorrow El Nino and La Nina. Yeah, it is warming of Pacific Ocean. The weak Indian monsoon created droughts. Okay, Pacific Ocean. I must show the where the Pacific Ocean, there is a pressure belt created. There is a tropical convergence, and it is not about tropical. It is about there are certain winds, hot winds and cold winds meet together, created a pressure. So I am going to explain it later. Okay, yeah. And La Nina is the cooling of Pacific, stronger monsoon, heavy rainfall. Just you have to be observed if the El Nino conditions observe in during every 4 years, 4 years guys, every 4 years these conditions happen. If the El Nino happen, there is a droughts in India, not all over world. The west side of the world there is a heavy rainfall, and east side countries are heavy droughts. There is no rainfall during the El Nino. La Nina, Indian subcontinent or in east side there is a huge rainfall, west side is dry. West side mean Pacific Ocean, there is a American continent, American coastal is dry during the La Nina. So baby girl is favor for us, baby boy is favor for them, west countries. Okay, this is about El Nino, La Nino. I am going to explain tomorrow the equationally. Okay, yep. And where IOD, okay, Indian Ocean dipole, it is the positive support to the good monsoon, guys. I am going to explain, this is the physical geography, guys. This is all our physical geography, El Nino, La Nina. It is not comes under Indian monsoon system. So tomorrow a special class, tomorrow or day after tomorrow I am going to teach, guys. Okay, yes. Impact of monsoon on agriculture. Okay, agriculture dependent country India, subsistence agriculture, farming. Okay, in that way this is the rainfall is a huge actually affect the agriculture system in India. That is 60% of Indians are dependent on monsoon rainfall. Water resources, yeah, that is the rivers, they can fill tanks and groundwater. Okay, economy, agriculture driven country, GDP will grow. Okay, food security is took place. This is all over. Okay, yeah. Guys, of course, Telugu geography actually no need language problem. I think geography is the concept based. Almost you have to be follow the if you comes under Telugu medium, just like be focus the PPT. Okay, just impact of monsoon, agriculture 60%. Okay, keywords enough. My PPT keywords enough you guys to understand. Even Telugu, it is no differentiate Telugu English actually. It is keywords enough. Okay, yeah, I can teach Telugu also, but sometimes I can't actually remember in the way of Telugu. Okay, sometimes okay, yeah, I can handle both languages. It might be affect some Telugu words. Okay, you can understand, guys. Okay, yep. And impact of monsoon, they might not ask you as you predict the questions like options. Okay, if the impact of monsoon. Okay, yep. And key factors for exams. Yeah, you have to be focused the key factors, especially I made it the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, that is passes through the 8 Indian states. 8 Indian states. What are the 8 Indian states? Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, this is the meridian. Okay, that is the meridian. Okay, what is standard meridian? Okay, I told you, right? Standard meridian, 8 states. Okay, 8 states. India is the tropical country. Okay, India is the tropical country where 23 and half north, 23 and half north. Okay, this is the 23 and half north here. This is the 23 and half north line, and that is the straight line which is longitude and latitude where it is meet. Where it is meet 8 to 30 east. They can ask you standard meridian. What is the standard meridian? This is the standard meridian to cross. Okay, this is where Tropic of Cancer is passed through the Indian states. Tropic of Cancer passed through the Indian state. If we cut 4 parts equally, that create 82 and half east. 82 and half east. This is longitude. 82 and half east longitude. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Cancer latitude. Cross how many states? India. I am going to tell you 8 states. Again I am going to tell you Gujarat and Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, okay, Chhattisgarh, okay, Jharkhand, West Bengal, not Orissa, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Mizoram, Tripura and Mizoram. These 8 states, Indian states crossed, that is Tropic of Cancer. We can call it as standard meridian where 82 and half. They did ask in the previous year question UPSC, standard meridian crosses how many states? That is Uttar Pradesh, okay, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, okay, Andhra Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh. How many? 4 states. 4 states standard meridian cross 82 and half. Okay? Yep. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, that is the states here they mention. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. 8 states standard meridian they can cross. Wettest place in the earth is Masindram, Meghalaya state is wettest place, guys. Okay? Yep. And western disturbances, winter rainfall during the north impact. This is the most important, guys. Star mark. What is star mark? Lu. They can ask you Lu. Okay? Lu is the word. They can ask you in the Telugu also Lu. Okay? The hot dry winds. Okay? Hot dry winds during the summer. Okay? Hot dry wind during the summer. Where? In northwest part of India, especially Rajasthan area. There are hot dry winds during the summer called Lu. Okay? Yeah. Mango showers. They can ask you mango showers. Okay? Mango showers are the Kerala and Karnataka help the ripening of the mangoes during the first rainfall experiences in the southwest monsoon created first mangoes ripening. That is the place Kerala and Karnataka, mango showers. They can ask you match the following, one side states, one side these words. Okay? Yeah. Lu is what? Mango showers are what? Okay? Kal Baisakhi. this is the festival, this is the festival where first monsoon rain took place, that is the place West Bengal. Okay, they can thunderstorms in West Bengal, they can actually they can enjoy that festival is called Baisakhi in West Bengal. Kal Baisakhi is the West Bengal thunderstorms. West Bengal thunderstorm Kal Baisakhi. Mango shower is the monsoon rainfall, first monsoon rainfall Kerala and Karnataka. Lu is the hot and dry winds in northwest India. These are the characters and states, guys. Okay. Northeast monsoon, there is a 50% rainfall in Tamil Nadu. They can ask you which one of the following state is the most experience of rainfall or high rainfall during the northeast monsoon. They can ask you northeast monsoon, either they can ask you retreat monsoon. For the retreat monsoon, what is the state get highest rainfall mean Tamil Nadu. Okay? Yes. El Nino is El Nino years 2002, 9 and 15 drought years in India. They don't ask you, but El Nino, La Nino, the concept they can ask you. I will explain you tomorrow, guys. Okay? I hope these are the key facts you can understand. Okay? Yep. A quick revision. Why monsoon type of rain India? Why monsoon type of rain is latitude is the one of the reason, altitude, distance from sea, relief features and pressure and ocean current. These are the 6 factors created India is monsoon type of climate. Okay? Monsoon type of climate in India, because of this latitude, latitude is we can call it in Telugu, altitude is height, height, distance from sea, as you know there is a place distance from, relief features mean there is different kind of physiography like structures of earth. Okay? Yep. Regional climatic variations. As you know, Jaisalmer, there is a Rajasthan place, hot desert, which is rainfall is very less than 10 centimeters. Okay? Dras is the coldest, there is a minus 45 degrees centigrade. These are the extreme weather conditions in India, there is a places. Okay? This is also most important for coming exam, guys. Okay? Important local winds and rainfall. As you know, I told you guys. Okay? This is important. Take a screenshot. Okay? Yep. And we are going to practice some questions. Okay? This is the most important session where we have to handle some questions. Okay? Yep. India climate is described as. Okay? What is India climate? India climate is monsoon type of climate. Monsoon mean Rutupavanam. Yep, Rutupavanam. I remember monsoon mean Rutupavanam. Like Pavanam mean wind. Okay, monsoon type of wind. Okay, India climate is described as the climate monsoon type of seasonal and reversal of winds. Okay, yep. And if come to the next question, which latitude divides India into the tropical and subtropical zones? Okay, of course, that is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, the northern latitude is divided India into the tropical and subtropical. 23.5 northern passes through 8 states. Okay, that is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. These 8 states, there is a latitude divides India tropical and subtropical. Okay? Yep. Western disturbances bring winter rainfall mainly due to the distance. Western disturbances, that is extra tropical cyclone from Mediterranean, and they can important for wheat crop. Guys, western disturbances is coming from Mediterranean area. Mediterranean area there is a latitude of 30 degrees to 45 degrees, mainly Europe. From the Europe, there is a winterlies. Winterlies mean winter winds coming towards the Indian mainland. Himalayas, they can actually defend, there is a wind from from Europe, okay, they can secure our Indian mainland, okay. Yeah, that is the question here. Western disturbances bring winter rainfall mainly due to that is where the western experiences rainfall is Punjab and Haryana, UP guys, Punjab, Haryana and UP. Low winds are experienced during summer or winter? Summer, okay. There is a dry hot and dry winds in northern India, May, June, that is low. Northeastern monsoon give a maximum rainfall, 50% annual rainfall of Tamil Nadu comes from northeastern monsoon. Tamil Nadu is northeastern monsoon. Southwest monsoon is Monsoon, okay, Meghalaya. Yeah, mango showers occurs in, okay, Kerala and Karnataka. Pre-monsoon rainfall. Sometimes May also there are some rainfall is took place, right, during the May or April, okay. That is the rainfall we can call mango showers. That is took place in Kerala and Karnataka, we can call. Yeah, wettest place in earth is Monsoon, Meghalaya, okay, 1180 centimeter annual rainfall. Yeah, break in monsoon refers to, you have to be observe it, the question, handle it. Okay. Yeah, of course, it is period of no rainfall during the monsoon. Of course, that is break. Yep. Yeah. Retreating monsoon mean reversal monsoon occur during the, of course, winter. Okay, that is October and November. Yep. And El Nino leads to, El Nino mean it is actually warming first peak and weak monsoon. This is UPSC previous year question, okay. That is drought in India, okay. There is no rainfall during El Nino. La Nina, there is a huge rainfall in India, okay. Yep. Which local storm known as Kal Baisakhi, West Bengal, northern westerlies, okay, West Bengal, okay, there is a term called Baisakhi. Which city has equable climate? Mumbai. I told you this word, there is a equal climate which is north and south monsoon, that is coastal cities, Chennai, Mumbai, Goa, Mumbai, okay. Goa, Mumbai are the equal climate, guys. Humid subtropical climate is found in Himalayas and northern plains are humid subtropical. India is a tropical country. If come to the subtropical, okay, that is Himalayas, like northern states like Bihar, Sikkim and like UP, Uttar Pradesh, okay. These are the subtropical areas, guys, where associated states of the Himalayas are subtropical, okay. Here Himalayas northern plains, okay. Yeah, which factor protect India from cold Siberian? Of course, Himalayas they can defend us from the subtropical area like Siberian winds, okay. From Russia there are certain winds coming from Russia to India. Himalayas are the defenders for us, okay. And northern westerlies are beneficial for rice and jute in Bengal, rice crop and jute in Bengal, okay. Yeah, jute high production India and high production India, West Bengal, jute, Okay, yes. Arabian Sea branch of monsoon first strike, onset June 1, June 1st. La Nina leads to India, heavy rainfall. La Nina, La Nina is the baby girl. Baby girl bring water. Just remember, our baby girl, she bring water for India. Okay, yeah, baby boy, they can take away water from India. Yeah, tropical desert climate in India found in where? Rajasthan, Thar desert, Thar desert. The maximum temperature in India recorded at 50 degree centigrade in summer where? Jaisalmer, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Which ocean phenomenon is influences Indian monsoon most? Okay, El Nino, La Nina. El Nino, La Nina, they can affect Indian monsoon, guys. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys understand Indian climating system. If you don't understand, you can comment it in the comment section. I am going to take a responsible what is you need to know, and I'll going to explain tomorrow class, guys. Tomorrow I am going to explain the relevant topic, which is El Nino, La Nina, most important concept. Don't miss it, don't miss it. This is important and there is a chance of question from coming exam. I can give you my best for your exams, guys. You have to contact me if any needs. Okay, thank you so much. If you like it the video and share it. Thank you so much.